Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's class 11 subject economics and our today's topic is policies adopted by government to strengthen agriculture sector. Yes dear students, in yesterday's lecture we discussed what are and what were the difficulties faced by agriculture sector in our country, as we discussed that there is and there are or dependence on uncertain rains, that is still our most portion of our agriculture land is still dependent on rainwater, that is the irrigation facility is still under the pressure of this rainwater. And another difficulty which we discussed in last lecture, that is that there is unequal distribution of ownership of land and there is low productivity. That why there is low productivity, there are many reasons, and one of the reasons which discussed we yesterday is uncertain rains. Now dear students, today we will discuss what the steps were taken by our government to uplift the agriculture sector. Dear students, in order to uplift the agriculture steps, the government of India adopted many policies, many strategies from time to time. Here are certain policies and the measures which our government of India adopted from time to time in order to enhance and the agriculture productivity and to better the conditions of farmer. Yes dear students, the main measures which government have undertaken to put Indian farming on sound footings are like first one here which is mentioned here is land reforms. Dear students, the main land reforms include abolition of Zamindari system, tenancy reforms, granting protection and security to the tenants, imposition of ceiling on land holding and distribution surplus land among the landless people as a means of securing economic equality. Yes dear students, जो पुराना ज़माना था उसमें एक सिस्टम था, जब हम we were under the rules of British, उसमें एक सिस्टम था चकदारी सिस्टम. चकदारी सिस्टम में क्या होता था, a large portion of land was under the control of revenue officials of these British people, that was granted as a gift to those people. This unequal distribution of land was the main obstacle in the Indian agriculture. So when we got independence, many reflections of British rule were still persistent in the agriculture system, that is the Chakdari system was still to some extent in our agriculture system. However, our government takes the steps for the betterment of this agriculture and farmer from the time of independence. However, there were certain reflections also after the independence. However, the government take the immediate steps to overcome this problem, and which include abolition of Zimidari system, tenancy reforms granting production and security to the tenants. The another step which our government of India takes to enhance the agricultural productivity and to for the betterment of farmer is high yielding variety of seeds. Yes, dear students, high yielding seeds of principal crops are being evolved, multiplied and distributed among farmers. With this agriculture productivity increased manifolds and leads to green revolution. And the another step which our government have taken for the betterment of farmers and to increase the agriculture productivity is supply of better implements. The supply and adaptation of improved tools and implements have changed the character of our stagnant agriculture by increasing agriculture productivity per acre as to generate surplus for investment. एक ज़माना था हमारे एग्रीकल्चर सिस्टम का, जब हमारे पास ज़मीन जोतने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही सिस्टम होता था, वो था ये हम अपना ज़मीन सिर्फ किस से जोतते थे या किस से प्लो करते थे, सिर्फ बैलों से. We were plowing the land only by these ox. Now the system has changed. We have implemented and we have adopted new techniques for plowing land, that we have machines like tractor and other tools for the plowing of land. With this, what we have done, we have increased our productivity, and with least time we are now able to plow a great or vast area of land. With this, we cultivated the land which was left idle when there was only option for the plowing of land, that is by ox. Yes, dear students, now we have overcome this difficulty. We have overcome this difficulty by the supply of better implements. Yes, dear students. Another system and another step which the government have undertaken to enhance the agriculture productivity and to help the farmers is cooperative farming and credit facilities. आप मेरे प्यारे बच्चों देख सकते हो कि आजकल किसान को किसी ज़मींदार के पास नहीं जाना पड़ता है कि अगर उसको कुछ रुपयों की ज़रूरत पड़े फॉर द परचेज ऑफ बेटर इम्प्लीमेंट्स फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, अब उसको किसी किसान के किसी और ज़मींदार के पास नहीं जाना पड़ता है पैसों के लिए, वो भी बहुत बड़े महंगे सूद पर. अब गवर्नमेंट ने फैसिलिटीज़ रखी हैं लाइक किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड, जिस पर बहुत हम कहते हैं नेग्लिजिबल इंटरेस्ट लिया जाता है. सो गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग much more from its side. Now it depends upon the farmers how he will implement and how he will take the help and how he will take the advantage of the policies adopted by government. Apart from there are many facilities, that is expansion of technology, expansion of irrigation facilities. तो इससे भी जो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर की स्थिति वो बहुत हद तक सुधर गई है. So dear students, this was all about today's topic. Hope that you have got the concept. Thank you. Allah Habzan Nasir.